Ever wonder if you have the power to control your dreams? Welcome to the captivating world of lucid dreaming, where the boundaries of reality and imagination coalesce into a mesmerizing dance of consciousness. It's a realm where you're not just a passive observer, but an active participant, steering the narrative of your dreams. Lucid dreaming, quite simply, is the state of being aware that you're dreaming. But it's anything but simple. It's an exhilarating exploration of the mind where you can shape and mold your dreams, turning them into surreal adventures or tranquil escapes. It's like stepping into a different universe each night, one that you can manipulate at will. This fascinating phenomenon blurs the line between the conscious and the unconscious, pulling back the veil on the untapped potential of the human mind. It's a journey into the depths of your subconscious, where dreams transform into conscious experiences. Imagine your dreams becoming your personal playground. Sounds fun, right? But how do you tap into this power of lucidity? You may wonder. Well, it's kind of like learning a new language. It takes time, practice, and a bit of dedication. First off, you need to start recognizing dream signs. These are patterns or themes that recur in your dreams. They might be as simple as a specific color or as complex as a scene from your childhood. Next, maintain a dream journal. Write down your dreams as soon as you wake up. This not only helps you remember your dreams better, but also aids in identifying those dream signs we just talked about. Then there's practicing reality checks. These are simple tests to determine whether you're dreaming or awake. It could be as simple as flipping a light switch or looking at your hands. Remember, a healthy sleep routine and a calm mindset are crucial for successful lucid dreaming. So, with patience and practice, you can become the master of your dream world. Now you might be wondering, why bother controlling your dreams? Well, the benefits of lucid dreaming are as vast as the dreamscapes themselves. Imagine being able to confront and overcome your nightmares, turning them into positive experiences, or using your dream state as a safe space to practice real-life skills, from public speaking to acrobatics, without the fear of failure or injury. Lucid dreaming can also be your own private brainstorming session, allowing you to explore creative ideas and solutions in a world unbound by the rules of reality. Now, you may have heard concerns about lucid dreaming, such as the fear of getting stuck in a dream. But rest assured, these are largely misconceptions. Dreams, even lucid ones, are a natural part of our sleep cycle and pose no harm. And there you have it, a quick journey into the fascinating world of lucid dreaming. So, are you ready to take control of your dreams tonight?